Good morning, this is the animal Huntress, and we are looking at a beautiful manatee here in the manatee pocket of Port Salerno. Good morning, darling. You're so beautiful. This manatee has just been resting here by the overpass of a walking bridge and seems to be quite content. This area of Port Salerno is literally called the Manatee Pocket, and it's because traditionally over the decades the manatee will come here in the winters to stay warm in the shallower waters. This area is also a marina and an entertainment center with 3 restaurants and live music all weekend long, but the manatee don't seem to mind. Animal Huntress, good day.